Hi friends, welcome to your ultimate guide to the best things to do in Ensenada, the vibrant Baja California port city that perfectly blends Mexican culture, stunning coastline, and world-famous cuisine in one exciting destination. Whether you're here for the incredible seafood, the beautiful wineries, or the lively waterfront atmosphere, this Mexican gem offers an unforgettable escape just south of the border. From tasting fresh fish tacos to exploring dramatic coastal blowholes, we've got you covered with 10 unforgettable experiences. The city's friendly energy, spectacular ocean views, and authentic flavors make every moment feel like a perfect Baja adventure. Let's dive in and discover why Ensenada should be at the top of your Mexican travel list. 1. Experience La Bufadora, natural blowhole. First up, you absolutely must witness the spectacular power of La Bufadora, one of the largest marine geysers in North America, that shoots seawater over 100 feet into the air with thunderous force. This natural wonder occurs when ocean waves force water through a sea cave, creating an impressive explosion of spray and sound that delights visitors with its unpredictable performances. The surrounding area features a vibrant marketplace, with local artisans selling crafts, souvenirs, and fresh snacks, making the journey to this dramatic coastal location a full cultural experience. The combination of natural spectacle, beautiful coastal views, and local commerce creates an unforgettable Ensenada adventure that showcases the raw power and beauty of the Pacific coastline. 2. Stroll along the Ensenada Malecon. Discover the heart of the city by strolling along the Ensenada Malecon, the beautiful waterfront promenade that offers stunning harbor views, lively atmosphere, and access to some of the city's best attractions. This bustling waterfront features fishing boats returning with daily catches, cruise ships docking in the harbor, and numerous restaurants serving incredibly fresh seafood right from the water to your plate. You can watch sea lions playing near the docks, browse souvenir shops for Baja California crafts, and enjoy the constant movement of maritime activity that gives Ensenada its distinctive character. The Malecon's combination of working waterfront and tourist amenities creates the perfect introduction to this port city's unique charm and energy. 3. Taste fish tacos at their birthplace. Treat your taste buds to an authentic culinary experience by tasting fish tacos, right where they were invented at Ensenada's legendary street food stands and markets. This Baja California creation features fresh local fish, battered and fried to perfection, then served on corn tortillas with crisp cabbage, creamy sauces, and lime wedges for squeezing. The waterfront area and Mercado Negro offer numerous stands where you can watch your taco being prepared while smelling the ocean air and hearing sizzling fryers. The combination of incredibly fresh ingredients, simple preparation, and perfect flavor balance makes enjoying fish tacos in their birthplace an unforgettable experience, essential Ensenada experience that food lovers will never forget. 4. Visit the Ensenada wine country. Explore Mexico's premier wine region by visiting the Guadalupe Valley just outside Ensenada, where over 100 wineries produce excellent wines that have gained international recognition for their quality. This beautiful wine valley features stunning vineyards set against mountain backdrops, modern tasting rooms, and excellent restaurants that pair local wines with Baja Mediterranean cuisine. You can tour facilities ranging from large commercial operations to small family-run vineyards, learning about winemaking techniques while sampling excellent Cabernet Sauvignon, Nebbiolo, and other varietals that thrive in this climate. The combination of quality wines, beautiful scenery, and innovative cuisine makes this one of Mexico's most exciting culinary destinations. Hit the like button if you like the video. 5. Shop at Mercado Negro. Immerse yourself in local culture at Mercado Negro, Black Market, Ensenada's vibrant fish market where fishermen bring their daily catch and restaurants serve incredibly fresh seafood right on the spot. This bustling market features stalls overflowing with just-caught fish, shrimp, octopus, and other marine delicacies, alongside prepared food counters where you can enjoy ceviche, seafood cocktails, and grilled fish tacos. The atmosphere combines the sights and smells of a working fish market with the excitement of food discovery, as vendors call out their specials and cooks prepare dishes right before your eyes. The market's authenticity and incredible freshness make it a must-visit for anyone wanting to experience Ensenada's maritime culture and culinary excellence. 6. See the Riviera del Pacifico Cultural Center. Step back in time at the beautiful Riviera del Pacifico Cultural Center, a historic 1930s resort that once hosted Hollywood celebrities and now serves as a museum and event space showcasing Ensenada's glamorous past. This beautifully restored building features elegant architecture, lush gardens, and historical exhibits that tell the story of Ensenada's development as a tourist destination during the Prohibition era. You can admire the grand ballroom where famous guests once danced, explore the gardens, and learn about the city's history through photographs and artifacts. The center's preservation and continued use for cultural events connects Ensenada's glamorous past with its vibrant present. 7. Enjoy Ensenada's beach scene. Experience the beautiful Pacific coastline by enjoying Ensenada's beaches, which offer everything from lively social scenes with volleyball and music to peaceful stretches of sand, perfect for relaxation and sunset watching. Playa Hermosa features calm waters ideal for swimming, while beaches further south offer dramatic waves popular with surfers and dramatic coastal scenery. Several beach clubs provide chair and umbrella rentals, food service, and facilities that make spending a day by the ocean comfortable and enjoyable. The combination of beautiful sand, refreshing ocean water, and typically sunny weather creates perfect conditions for classic Baja beach days that embody the relaxed coastal lifestyle. 8. Take a coastal boat tour. See Ensenada from a different perspective by taking a boat tour that explores the beautiful coastline, offering opportunities to spot marine life and appreciate the dramatic meeting of desert mountains and Pacific Ocean. Several operators offer tours ranging from hour-long harbor cruises to longer excursions that visit islands, sea caves, and coastal formations. You might see dolphins playing in the boat's wake, sea lions basking on rocks, and various seabirds going about their daily activities while learning about the area's marine ecosystem from knowledgeable guides. The fresh ocean air and constantly changing views provide a refreshing escape from the city, while showcasing the natural beauty that makes this region so special. 9. Experience Ensenada's nightlife. Discover Ensenada's vibrant nightlife scene that comes alive after dark with music, dancing, and socializing in venues ranging from traditional cantinas to modern clubs and bars. The downtown area features numerous establishments where you can enjoy live music, sample local beers and cocktails, and experience the friendly social atmosphere that makes Mexican nightlife so enjoyable. Husong's Cantina, established in 1892 and considered one of Mexico's oldest bars, offers a historic setting where you can imagine generations of patrons enjoying drinks and conversation. The combination of lively energy, musical diversity, and warm hospitality creates perfect evenings out that extend the Ensenada experience well into the night. 10. Visit the Caracol Science Museum. Engage your curiosity at the Caracol Science Museum, a modern interactive museum that explores the natural history, geography, and culture of Baja California through hands-on exhibits and displays. This excellent facility features exhibits on astronomy, oceanography, geology, and ecology that both children and adults will find educational and entertaining. The museum's architecture itself is noteworthy, with a spiral design representing a seashell. Caracol means seashell in Spanish, and offering panoramic views of the city and bay from its upper levels. The combination of interactive learning, beautiful design, and focus on regional subjects makes this a perfect destination for families and anyone interested in understanding the Baja California environment. And there you have it, 10 incredible ways to experience the flavors, culture, and natural beauty of Ensenada. Whether you're watching geysers explode, tasting world-famous tacos, or exploring wine country, this Baja California gem offers the perfect blend of adventure and relaxation. The combination of fresh seafood, quality wines, and spectacular coastline creates memories that will have you planning your return before you've even left. Which Ensenada experience are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more travel guides to amazing Mexican destinations.